Just like. Okay, so we're trying something new. I don't like seafood, but
she decided to do a seafood mukbang or mukbang, however freak you say it.
so we have a lobster and we have a couple of crab. Let's see how this goes. Oh, and we also got some
I don't know what they're called.
shirakiku. Shirakiku.
No.
Carbonated Ramoon drink. I got melon.
And I got strawberry.
And I attempted to do some type of sauce, but
I didn't like it.
she does.
But we're just gonna try it.
Let's see how this goes. Okay, so what are you gonna try
I'm
first?
gonna try the leg first. I've already tried this before. I liked it.
My sister's on the phone, so she's gonna see us attempt this crabby.
They're hard to cut, yo.
I'm scared. So I don't like how fishy smells, but
It's not fish.
I know, but it's like a fishy smell. I don't really like fishy smell shit. I don't know if I'm gonna eat this. It's good? Seriously? I'm scared to try this. Let's see how this goes.
With limited super bussin'.
Guys, excuse my faces because
Your faces?
yes, my faces that I make while I'm getting this because I'm not really this type of person to eat this shit.
Here,
This is a
Kaden.
piece of it.
Kaden,
I'm gonna try this sauce. I'm scared. I'm really scared.
try the sauce. I didn't like the sauce.
No, I'm scared. Let me try a little bit first.
Doesn't taste like anything.
It
Add lemon.
tastes kind of like chicken.
This is the
Kaden likes this, I guess. Here.
I want to try this now.
There's a bag right there, so you won't make a mess.
Ooh. Ooh.
Supposed to look like that? It's good?
I don't know if I like it. I don't know if I like it.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
The lobster!
I don't know if I like it.
I don't know, Miss
What is that red stuff?
Don't eat that. That's probably his brain. Open this up. Sickio! I don't know if I'll eat that. I don't know if I'm gonna eat that. I don't know if I'm gonna eat that.
Let's try it with lemon.
No, I'm not trying that. That looks like a shit from the booty hole, ain't it? It's not, ew. Oh my gosh, I can't. This one, get that over. I can't see that shit. Oh my god. No, I'm not trying this shit. I'm about to puke. Seriously, I'm about to puke this off. Just like, I'm about to puke. I can't do this shit. I can't do this shit. I can't do this shit. This one. Over the bag. Ew, don't miss. I can't do this shit. I can't do this shit, man. I can't do this shit. I can't do this shit. Oh shit, we gotta edit that part out. I can't do this shit. Like that lobster ruined it. I have to throw that away because I can't do that.
The crab is good. The crab is good though, so I'm gonna continue with the crab.
I don't know if I can eat anymore.
I can't.
Like I was seriously gonna puke just by looking at your. I can't. I just can't. I can't. I seriously can't. Oh my god.
This is a banger.
This is definitely a bang. I gotta get some of this drink or something because I can't. I seriously can't. I was seriously like about to die right now. Guys, I don't know if I didn't cook it right or what, but that's the most disgusting shit ever. And I didn't even taste it. That's the sad part.
Guys, okay. Kaden, Crystal is getting.
Can't do it no more. It just ruined my whole fucking appetite.
Okay, well,
I guess you and Kaden are doing a mukbang because I can't.
me and baby Kaden are gonna do this because it gave Crystal asco. Disgust. Disgust. See what I see, right? Look at that.
What is that?
I'm just gonna show you guys.
Oh, that's hard though. What is it?
What I'm seeing here.
I don't know what that is.
So that was our mukbang, whatever you want to call it. Obviously, that was a huge fail.
I'm never ever doing this.
But
again. I don't
maybe-
see how they eat it. It looks so good watching others eat it, but now that I see that it's not just for me, I just
Maybe in the future we won't do seafood, and we'll do
let me cut them up for you and you eat it.
and we'll do like something else, like Taco Bell or McDonald's. Probably really
Yeah, we should have.
good. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, and comment, and yeah, I hope, yeah. Bye. Oh yeah, what she said.